Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, I just want to say to you, choose your dream. Choose you. Now, I just want a few people to raise their hand if this is you. You buy lots of courses. You sign up for lots of opt-ins. You attend a lot of webinars. You have created several products that are sitting on your laptop while you're still searching for the answer. All I want to say to you is today, choose you. I'm sure out of all the courses, out of all the webinars, checklists, tripwires, lead magnets, all of the things that you've opted into, that I'm sure, like Dorothy in The Wizard of Oz, that you have it within you all along. So I just want to say today, choose you. Take that digital product, that checklist, that ebook, take it, share it, and profit from it. You know, as I watch online, I see how people share, create a product in Canva, get a link on StanStore, and they make it sound so easy, but there's a few missing steps in between. One, that you need some way for people to pay you. Number two, you need to market it, not just create it. And number three, it's not just as easy as 1, 2, 3. Think of it, either create it or buy a PLR, or which is a private label, right? Which is someone else's product. Some people sell it as is. Some people adjust it to sound like them and their brand. But it's not just as easy as 1, 2, 3. You need to put your spin on it, put your knowledge and expertise on it, and you need to market it. You need to have built trust with people in order for them to want to buy from you. So you can't just put it up. You have to have someone following you, or someone that either, if you have no list, you're paying for ads, but you have to have some way that people are seeing it in order to buy from you. So I want to encourage you today, keep putting content out there, or making sure that your message is connecting with the right people in order for them to buy from you. It's not just easy as 1, 2, 3. And there are steps in between. But if you would like to know those steps, comment below and say steps, and I will share in the next series of videos how to connect with a community of like-minded people just like you, who've been searching online, attending all the webinars, courses, but not taking action. And most importantly, get yourself an accountability partner or a community, because this video was created so that I did not miss out on my promise of actions, because I said that I was going to push or post at least one video on my YouTube channel, which this starts the wheels to turning, so that I will at least post one every week. So that's all for now. Remember, choose you.